Good morning, welcome back or welcome. Today we're going to Faction Motorsports open house.
Came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
But first, I need to get dressed. Ta-da! I'm gonna go do my makeup in the car per usual. It's already almost 7:30. Jimmy wanted to leave at 8 o'clock from the shop, so onwards we go. I just struggled with that door so hard. I don't want to talk about it. I gotta start my car. No one's here yet. Cheers. Gab's here. Jim just got here. I'm gonna run to get gas real quick and then we'll be back. What are you doing? Checking to see how much air pressure is in my tires. Should all be 35 bucks. And we're on the road. I guess it's just us going. It's humiliating. All right, everyone, we made it. We're parked up. We're gonna meet everyone inside. Jimmy got put inside, lucky bitch. But we're here. I got my new friend, little boo-boo. Thank you, Gab.
You're welcome.
She survived the drive. Actually drove really good.
She did.
This man got a walkie-talkie.
Joke's on me for thinking you were actually coming to give me a hug.
The calm before the storm. Jimmy backing in. I had to ask Tom if me coming here was a scam because they are selling merch and I'm usually the booth girl. I did slap his Starbucks out of his hand though. That was pretty funny. Tom, how was your drink?
My ice cup.
Tom's posture.
No, just beef.
I'm gonna get a tattoo.
I think I'm gonna get one too.
Yeah? Which one are you gonna get?
I really like this cute little one.
That's cute.
Yeah.
I'm getting the piston.
Fits you.
It does.
I literally walked past the window and all I see is you cheesing so hard. It was so funny.
Dude, I love tattoos.
I love that for you. You go, girl.
Yeah, I know, right?
Gabby's all done. She's so cute. How's it going back there?
I'm doing alright. It's not ready. Ryan, I need to get behind you.
Tattoos look sick. We're gonna go get Red Bull and food now. That is sick. Stacked up. Time for Taco Bell. It's very windy out. Holy shit. Got my Taco Bell.
Yeah, they can't hear that.
Nah, they definitely can't. I got my Taco Bell. I'm just gonna give up. Good color, good color. Nice.
Anything else?
Gabby's gonna get food now. Yum. We are hiding from the chaos.
I still don't know about that.
The wheels? This guy's blocking them. Jordy, what's your favorite car here?
The pink miata over there.
I haven't popped out the engine bay in a while, but it's actually nice enough to do so. I just realized I never did a actual full fit check. Very awkward.
She's feeling awkward today. Today of all days.
Alright, now we're both feeling awkward. Alright, let's go.
Okay.
crash. We just bumping into her.
Nice. Porsche.
A little while later.
I'm down for the count. I got the suds.
Well, Mr.
Jordy.
It seems you have the suds.
Ooh, what's back here?
What can we steal back here?
This is a robbery! How's your day?
It's alright. I've been here for too long. I'm ready to go home.
Big bros up.
Yeah, dude.
Right now?
Really committed to the bit.
You like that?
Really had some brown on the one you drew. Thank you.
How do you feel, Jim?
It's cool.
Yeah.
Put it up, Jim.
All right, end of the day. Jordy might buy a seat, guys. A review?
I think this one's a little too wide, but it feels really nice and roomy. This one's a little bit snugger.
Ooh. Okay, but the real question. Gamma?
Yeah, Gamma's the winner.
I moved my car since we're getting ready to leave. Jimmy's off the list. Let's get back to Jordy.
I'm broke, but it's cool.
Yeah, can it fit?
There you go. Yeah.
Hell yeah. That's funny. You're just gonna have to sit mad close. All right, guys, we're on the way home. Jim's leading this time, thankfully. So we will see you when we get back to the shop or if anything interesting happens on the drive. And we are back. Gabby smacked her head on my soft top. I'll insert that video now. Thank you, Faction, for having us at your open house. Amazing time. Thank you, Brian, for the tattoo. Thank you, Billy, for the tattoo. Hell yeah. Thank you guys for coming along on the journey. We'll most likely install Jordy's seat sometime this week too, so stay tuned. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week.